Okay, this is CFIN6, Chapter 6, Problem 14. The This problem, we're going to do a yield to maturity, and then we're going to do a yield to call. What that means, the bond can be called by the issuer prior to maturity. This is a very common feature on municipal bonds, the less so on corporate bonds. Treasury bonds are in most cases, the vast majority of cases are non-callable. Uh, but when we do have to deal with callable bonds occasionally. So 3 years ago, Jack's Automotive issued a 20-year callable bond with $1,000 maturity value, 8.5% coupon rate of interest. Interest is paid semi-annually. The bond is currently selling for $1,046. So part A, what is the bond yield to maturity? So so uh, we have our 17 years to maturity. That's just forget my y there. That's just 20 minus the 3 years. So that's equals 17. $1,000 maturity value. Uh, 8.5% coupon rate. The semi-annual. So current price is $1,046. So and again, price and market value mean the same thing. So the first part here, for part A, our N is 17 times 2, 34 semi-annual periods. The PV is the current market price or current price, 1,046. The payment is 1,000 times the 8.5% coupons at 0.085 divided by 2 is 42.50. 42.5. Future value is 1,000, and we compute IY and get 4%. That's a semi-annual rate. Multiply by 2, and we get 8%. So that's the yield to maturity. So B, we've got, we're going to calculate yield to call. Do this. I need a little extra space here, but B, the yield to call. So if the bond can be called in 4 years for a redemption price of $1,089, what is the bond's yield to call? So we only need to make 2 adjustments here. We adjust our N, and so it's can be called in 4 years. So it's 4 times 2 equals 8. And then we change our future value. That's where our redemption price or call price is entered. So this would be $1,089. And all of this information would still be in the calculator, except for we're replacing the future value and the N. Then we compute IY and get 4.5. We have to annualize that or multiply by 2, and we get 9.0%. And that is the yield to call.